Hi there. We are going to compare here between the size of the area of the semicircle and the area of the quadrant, which is a quarter of a circle. So this number 5.2 represents the diameter. It is the distance from the circumference to the circumference passing through the center of the circle. So accordingly, we are going to find the radius in the first step, which is equal to d over 2, and it's 5.2 over 2. I will not be able to show the calculations here. I have no space, so I'm just going to write the answer, which is 2.6 centimeter. We're going to write the general formula of finding the area of a full circle. So area circle is equal to pi r squared. Step number 3, we are going to substitute the value of r in the general formula. So it's pi times 2.6 all to the power of 2. Step number 4, we are going to calculate and leave our answer in terms of pi. So the answer will be 6.76 pi, and the measurement unit is centimeter squared for the area. So step number 5, we are going to find the area of a semicircle by dividing the area of a full circle, which is 6.76 by 2, and 6.76 pi divided by 2, which is the area of the full circle divided by 2, and we are going to write the answer in terms of pi as well, 3.38 pi, and it's centimeter squared. We're going to leave our answer in terms of pi until we calculate the area of the quadrant, which is a quarter of a circle. So the 3.4 represents the radius. This is my center. The distance from the center to the circumference, from the center to the circumference is the radius. So step number 1, I'm going to start immediately by writing the general formula of calculating the area of a full circle, which is pi r squared. Step number 2, I'm going to substitute the value of r in the general formula. So it's pi times 3.4 all to the power of 2. I'm going to calculate and leave my final answer of the area for the full circle in terms of pi. So it's going to be 11.56 pi centimeter squared, which is the measurement unit of the area. Step number 4, I'm going to calculate the area of the quadrant by dividing the area of full circle by 4. I'm going to calculate and leave my final answer of the area of quadrant in terms of pi as well, which is going to be 2.89 pi centimeter squared. Now I can compare this with this. So 3.38 pi is greater than 2.89 pi, and we're done. Thank you for watching.